Hey everyone, welcome back to another macOS tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to install YouTube on your Mac using Safari, so you can use it like a regular app from your dock. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your Mac. In the address bar, type youtube.com, then press Enter. Once the YouTube website fully loads, go to the top menu bar and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Add to Dock. A small confirmation window will appear. Click Add, and that's it. YouTube will now appear in your dock just like a normal app. When you open it, it runs in its own dedicated window, separate from Safari, giving you a clean, app-like experience. You can also find it later in your Applications folder, or by searching with Spotlight. That's how you install YouTube on macOS using Safari. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.